If you're watching this video because you'd like to discover how to relate air temperature and pressure with weather conditions, you're in the right place. Let's get started with Pasco's wireless barometer sensor with display. This sensor can be used indoors or outdoors, either on its own or with SparkView, Capstone, or ChemView software. You can stand the sensor up on any of its flat sides and leave it open to the atmosphere, as long as you avoid direct sunlight to keep its ambient temperature accurate and protect it from sources of moisture like rain, sprinklers, and morning dew. You can make your own protective weather station by modifying an opaque plastic container like this, so the sensor can hang from a structure or a tree branch and be protected as you monitor weather over some length of time. For the best accuracy, place your sensor in the location where you want to take measurements and give it plenty of time to adjust its own temperature to its surroundings. After allowing the sensor to come to temperature equilibrium with its surroundings, turn it on and let it warm up for a couple of minutes. The wireless barometer reports barometric pressure, temperature, and pressure-derived altitude measurements. You can update the sensor's altitude to match your current location if you choose. The sensor will store that information until the next time you update it. If you just want to know the current pressure, temperature, or altitude at a single point in time, you might just want to turn on the sensor and read what's on the display as you double-click your way through the measurement and unit options. But if you want to study daily cycles or figure out how the daily weather conditions you observe are related to patterns in barometric pressure in order to hone your weather prediction skills, you might want to set up your fully charged sensor to log data to its internal memory. You can later retrieve the results in software and visualize it in a display, such as this graph of pressure and temperature data over a little more than a day. Use analysis tools like a linear fit to compare the rate of barometric pressure change over a certain period of time on a typical day compared to a day when poor weather is on its way. Or you can discover the daily pressure minimum and maximum cycles, though this effect is most notable closest to the equator and less noticeable as you approach the poles. Take a look at the lab investigation on the product page at pasco.com for detailed instructions on how to make your own weather station or how to use remote data logging, so you can use data and observations to explain the meaning of sayings like mackerel sky, storm is nigh, in scientific terms. Thanks for watching.